Okay, you're looking to rent an incredible space for your business in Fiji. You're not sure where to go or what to do. That's where you need a great real estate agent and agency to represent you. Look no further, professionalsfiji.com. This is Baron Bruno and Bren Bruno, and we are so excited because you could be our neighbors. We're just below I'm standing is where our office is, and we're right now in Port Denarau Marina, the A+ uber exclusive place to be in Fiji. Most people who travel to Fiji come through here because of the restaurants, the retail, the 5-star hotels, the nightlife. Everything is literally right here, and you can have your business right here. All the foot traffic, everything is just here. If you're in the marine business, boating, yachting, surfing, kayaking, snorkeling, scuba diving, this is something you're going to want to definitely think about because you are right in front of everybody and everything here. So this is 158 square meter, just turnkey, ready to go. You can see everything is turnkey. You've got the boardroom set up, reception area, all the nice Pacific green furniture here. Of course, it's all wired, for the internet, high-speed internet, all that. You have your air conditioner canisters in the ceiling, and it's fitted out for, again, offices, and these slide across here, so you have some more privacy, and the desks built in as well. So you can see, let me turn it back around. So there is the great room there. So you have plenty of flexibility when it comes to number of employees, and you have a back area here for your employees to relax or have team meetings, and again another area. So if you have you need storage, for instance, for any of your marine goods, things like that, if you're going to be selling things up here on more of a retail type outfit, and want to change this from more of an office to retail or a combination thereof, you can certainly do that. So lots of flexibility here. There's plenty of ways that you can jazz this up and modernize it and really make it to your taste and your liking, and really more for your business and your industry. So again, these don't come up too often. This is a rarity, and because of COVID, some of these owners are now looking to rent out these spaces to new tenants, and you can jump in here and sign up for a really nice long-term lease with very favorable terms, price, and conditions. So go to professionalsfiji.com. More importantly, if you want to find out about what those rates are looking like right now, what lease terms you might be able to get for your business, and if your business would work here, call us at +679-999-2051, or you can go on WhatsApp and call me also at +1 480-444 6688, and we can tell you a little bit more again about how this will work well for you here in Fiji. Look at that, nice, beautiful, windy, calm, just peaceful day here, and we're going to be waiting here for you. Look forward to seeing you soon. Vanaka.